Okay, we're just gonna get straight into it. So right now I'm detangling my hair. Oh, hello, I'm saying hi to you guys. Right now I'm wetting my hair with water and leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna be detangling it. And anyways, this video is really like a filler episode, a filler video, because I haven't posted in 2 weeks, and I'm sorry about that. It's just been, I really don't have an excuse, to be honest. My only excuse is I haven't had the time. Like, my mom and my sister have been home this whole week, and I don't like filming when people are home. When my brother's home, it's fine, but when like they're home, I don't like filming. Like, the motivation goes away. And yeah, and I want to make the other parts to my recreating outfits type of videos, and I just want to say thank you for all the love on that video. I got some comments, some new subscribers, and people thought it was creative, and yeah, thank you for the support on that video, because I really like that video. That's like one of my new favorite videos on my channel right now. And yeah, so thank you for the support on that one. It got 100 views, which is pretty good, and that makes me see that it's like an interesting video, so I would love to do more. And yeah, I wanted to say thank you for that. And right now I'm just detangling my hair, like I said. I think I'm about to add gel right now, or I'm removing the blood. My hair is really dirty. Like, I need to wash it. This is like 3-week-old hair for real. I'm gonna wash it today though. I promised myself I'm gonna wash it today. I'm using extreme gel to slick my hair down. This is the gel I use now. I used to use Eco all the time, but I've had this for like, I think since December. It lasts a really long time, but now it's almost at the bottom, but it's still a lot left, but it just lasts a long time. Some parts of the video might like cut to me doing other stuff just to make it shorter, because it's no purpose for it to be really long. So I cut it to me brushing my hair. I'm still adding gel because that wasn't enough. That definitely was not enough for my hair. I think my hair is like 4b. Like, I told my friend, is it 4b-4c? She said it's definitely not 4c. So, and it looks like a little bit like 4b, but I don't know. I don't know my hair type. I want to find out, because I don't know, it's just been on my mind. I'm slicking my hair down. I took some hair out to add a little curl in the front, but I think the left side had more hair, so it's gonna look weird in a minute. But yeah, so I don't really put gel in the back of my head, because I don't know, I promise I'm not bald, guys. My hair is just it just does its own thing, I promise you. But yeah, like I said, I have a ponytail for that hair, and I forgot that, I don't know, it gets tangled. Try to not put the hair that you're not putting in the ponytail to get tangled in your original ponytail, because it's gonna get tangled and it's gonna hurt really bad. And even when you don't, at the end of the day, when you're taking your hair down, it seems like it's all tangled. I literally don't know how this happens, but it happens all the time. But just try to remember to be mindful and careful when making your ponytails and taking it out, because your hair is gonna get stuck in it. And I'm putting it apart, and I think the reason, okay, so later in the video I get a little frustrated because the back of my head is like a lump, like right here it's like a lump, but I think that's because I'm adding the hair into the ponytail. I should have just, like, I don't know how to explain, like, part this hair in the front and the hair in the front, and then just put that in the back, not add the back of my head to the ponytail, if that makes sense. Okay, so right now I'm taking the bottom ponytail out, and my hair got tangled into it, so it's becoming a little problem, but I got it out eventually. And honestly, if this was a claw clip video, you can literally claw clip that up, but when I do it, it literally doesn't work. I keep buying claw clips knowing my hair doesn't work with it, but I really want to wear claw clips because I got some cute ones, but they just don't work. I'm still taking the rubber band out. I'm showing y'all that barely any hair came in the rubber band, so that's good. I didn't break my hair off. And now I'm just, letting it be free. And feeling myself. Okay, girl, hurry up. I'm gonna be adding the water and leave-in conditioner to wet all of my hair. What are you doing? Like, I don't even know why I ended the video at that part. But yeah, I'm wetting all of my hair so I can add my leave-in conditioner. Sometimes, or it's like leave-in conditioner, but it's called curl jelly. It's from As I Am. You should really check them out. But anyways, I either add a leave-in conditioner or curl jelly or my coconut oil grease, because it literally just defines my hair as well. And well, they all get tangled up in the process, but they all work good, so it doesn't matter. But when I add my extreme gel as a leave, like a, what's it called? Not a co-wash, what's it called? Wash and go. It's flaky, and then the curly jelly is flaky too, but not as much, and it lets my curls be individual, like they move around, and like I can move my head and it shakes, and it's like fluffy and soft. So it doesn't really matter which one I use. But I do prefer the curling jelly from As I Am because it smells good, but it's a little bit messy. Alright, I wet my hair. My hair is drenched. I'm going to be using the curly jelly like I said from As I Am. They're very affordable. Like all of their stuff is $10. Like that's pretty good. And you could get coupons and stuff. Wetting my hair again because sometimes my ends doesn't get wet. I don't know if that's a bad thing or not. Like, do I need to cut them? But it's like too much doesn't get wet, so I'm not cutting all that. Like, are you crazy? I'm not cutting all of that. I don't know. I'm just wetting everything. I need to get the side that's facing my neck because I always forget that side. I'm only doing the outside. Just adding the curly jelly to my hair. And honestly, you could just wet your hair and comb through it, and that will leave a curl effect too if you don't want to add anything. That's what I do sometimes. It's literally the same thing. But sometimes one part will be wet, but it doesn't matter, to be honest. Just putting it throughout all of my hair. And even the ponytail too. I like pull the ponytail. You can see that I'm doing the ponytail. And then combing it through. Y'all, why are all parts of my body different colors? Like, do you see my arms and then my face? And then one of my legs are darker than the other, and then the other one is lighter. Then my elbows, one is darker than the other, and the other one is lighter. Okay, we see my little ponytail, my half up, half down. Feel myself once again. Now we're gonna add our bow. I got this from Shein. It's glued in, so I think it's not gonna fall apart. This is my second time wearing it, but I'm trying to figure out a way to put it on because it was confusing. And I use it as like a only use the rubber band as like a real rubber band. So I use it at the end as like a little decoration thing, because I don't know how it hold up if I use it as if it was like a real rubber band. But I felt the bow go under, so I'm trying to take that out. This whole process is literally me just trying to take the bow from out of the rubber band, from under the rubber band to the public. But while y'all watch that, I wanna just talk. I honestly need video ideas. Like this week I wanted to do what I wear for like spring, but I forgot to do it Monday, so that just threw me off. I was like, I'm not doing it anymore. And I also want to make like sit down videos, but I can't do that when people are home. But yeah, I just need some like video ideas. Let me know what you want to see, what you think I should do. Just let me know anything, to be honest. But I fixed the bow as much as I could. It looks weird right now, but I fixed it at school, so it's better. Like, you see how it's up. And now I'm about to do my edges and stuff and define those curls in the front. And when I was doing my edges, I did my edges, but I didn't really care for it to be like flat, because I feel like the curl goes with the hairstyle, because like it's a curly hairstyle, you know what I mean? So I did my edges, and sometimes, or not all of the hair was like flat. If it makes sense, you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm trying to define it. I realized there's too much hair, so I think I put it to the back. Yeah, at school I didn't even show these little curls. I put it behind my ear because it was looking weird. But I'm just trying to fix it again, even though I told y'all what happened. The left side definitely had too much. Using my edge control from Instant Control, I think that's what it's called. Let me know if I should do more hair videos too, because I don't do a whole lot of styles, but like I have some cute ones I can actually do and I can make a tutorial. But yeah, I'm slicking down the front of my hair right now because it doesn't seem to do that with a gel. Doing my little edge, and that little curly thing was in the way, so I literally just had to put it back because it looks crazy on camera right now. Good thing I did not wear that to school. Like, it looks weird. And doing my edges, it's like a process. Like, it takes so long because it acts like it don't want to work. It's so annoying. And I need more edges. Like, I barely have any for real. I got a new edge brush. My mom gave me one, but it's really skinny. It's from like this wig company she was buying. It's really skinny and like, what's it called, floppy. Like, there's no, it's not hard, it's like weird. But then the edge brush gets hard really fast, so that's good. But like, still, I need you to not be wobbly and messing up because I don't like that. That's why I like this one. Got this one from Amazon years ago, and I just like the big ones. But I need an edge brush with a rat tail comb because I need a rat tail comb to part my hair. I've been using pencils and my nails, but that's not working. Pencils work, but my nails, they don't work. I think I'm almost done doing my edges. I'm not sure, but when I do my edges, I let it go over a lot of times. Like, this is normal for me. I do it a lot of times. Even after the video, I was like, wait, I don't like it, and I like redid it. I think I added more. Yeah, I added more between those, like, those not sideburns, aren't they? Between like those edges right there, because it looks weird with just 3. So I added like 2 more in between, but not on video. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out with the bow, and this photo in the cafeteria is when my hair is like basically all dry. And yeah, I hope the tutorial helped you. It's a really cute hairstyle. It's pretty easy to do every day, to be honest, if you want to do the curl part. But I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.